Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing something a little bit different for me because I always want to do full coverage, everything, like full coverage foundation, full coverage concealer, thick brows, like full face of eyeshadow. That doesn't make sense. Full eye of eyeshadow. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a minimalistic, no foundation, fluffy brow makeup look. So basically this is going to be like a natural makeup look. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I never did this before, but I'm going to be doing my makeup without foundation. And yeah, I'm hoping that this look is going to be very natural, very minimalistic. I'm not doing any eyeshadow. I might do a lash, but a very subtle lash. But you know what, some people have naturally long eyelashes. I am just not one of those people who has naturally long eyelashes, so I need to add some extra. So if you guys want to see the never before seen from me natural minimalistic makeup look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that we are going to be doing is a fluffy brow, and we're going to be using the soap brow method. So I'm going to take this Pears soap that I have, and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. Then I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm going to rub the spoolie around in it until it gets like, honestly this takes a little bit of practice. I used to do it and like be like, ugh, I'm just not the type of person who can do this. But honestly it takes some practice to get the right consistency of the soap. Or maybe I'm just stupid. Like maybe it just took me a while because I'm stupid. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm just going to take it and brush my brows up to give a fluffy effect. And now I'm just gonna clean up a little bit around the brows where like the excess soap would be. Okay. And my brows are like uneven, so I'm just gonna take some brow product and very lightly trying to like make them even, but I'm still trying to keep it natural and fluffy. Now I'm going to carve out or kind of like conceal under my brows with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the shade CJ05. And I'm going to use a Morphe 124 brush to do that. Now I'm going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. And even though I'm not doing eyeshadow, I still want to, oh my gosh, why can't I talk? Even though I'm not doing eyeshadow, I still want to conceal my lids because they're like veiny, ill and stuff. And I want them to be like, not flat, but even. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Divine Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I'm gonna take this big Morphe brush, the number wiped off of it, and I'm just gonna take like a skin color powder. I'm just going to set my lids with that so it doesn't crease. You guys see how like even that looks? Like look, I love that. So even if I'm not like doing eyeshadow, I still do that a little bit just so we can make the eyelids even. I'm gonna move on to face. I was gonna say foundation, but we're not doing foundation today. So let me zoom it out just a little bit so you guys can see more of the face. So now I'm gonna take some primer. I'm just going to take this Makeup Revolution Glass, oh my god, glass. This Makeup Revolution Glass Skin Primer. always take my earrings off when I do my foundation just so I don't have to like get foundation on them and like wipe them off or whatever. Recently I've been like taking a beauty sponge and like pounding the primer into my skin, and I feel like it's made a big difference. Now since it's kind of like natural, you want it to look very dewy, so your face look naturally like dewy. So I feel like you want to be like dewy and glowy, gluey if you will, and just look like your face is like glowing from within. So I am going to take some of these Cover FX custom enhancement drops, and this is in the shade Candlelight. Is that right? I'm just gonna take some and just put it where highlight would go. I'm gonna take a foundation brush. It's gonna look a little bit like a 10-man before we get the other stuff on, but you know. Now since this is a no foundation makeup look, we're going to be using concealers to kind of like add some highlights and like some contours to the face. First I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all remember these? These used to be like the talk of the town. I still use these and they're so good. So like I said, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to use this to basically like bronze with, kind of. It's not too much darker than my skin, but just a little bit so it can like create that bronze effect. I'm going to blend that out first with this Sonia Kashuk sponge. You guys see how it just looks like super bronzed right now? So now we are going to take another Early Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Pure Beige, and we're going to take this and put it under the eyes. Basically all the places where you would like highlight. And also a little tip that I have, like when I'm blending out concealer and stuff and I don't want it to be too thick and like heavy and stuff, I have like a tissue or something on hand, and each time after I like dab it, I wipe it off, so like that excess product that it's picking up isn't staying on the sponge when we're blending it out, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and just make sure everything is blended together, especially on the cheeks where those two colors meet. You guys see how like natural that looks? Now we're going to do some cream blush, and I'm going to take this ColourPop. Why can I not talk today? We're going to take this ColourPop blush stick in the shade 25-8. And another thing that I feel like with like natural stuff, you gotta keep it like cream, if that makes sense, because I feel like cream just blends so well together that it makes it look so natural and like beautiful and dewy and like fresh. Like, doesn't it look like I just like got out of the pool even though it's winter time? Like, don't it look so like dewy and fresh? Like, I feel like it looks so natural. Like, if I came on camera and like I didn't just do all that and I was like, hey guys, so today we're gonna do like a full glam makeup look and this is like my bare face, you'd be like, I kind of believe you. Like, I want to believe you, but like I kind of feel like you're lying, but I want to believe you. For mascara, I am taking the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift. Like, look at that. You can't even tell. I have to put on a lash. If you have long eyelashes, you don't have to, but like I feel like I need to. I feel like a naked mole rat without them. I'm also going to do my bottom lashes. Okay. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Like I said before, you don't have to do this even if you don't have long lashes. Like, this looks good as it is, but I just don't feel complete without a lash. And honestly, I don't really care if people are like, your lashes are fake. Oh, you know what would be good if you had lash extensions with this look? Like, everything looks so natural. Lash extensions, period. So I'm gonna go put on a lash. So I kind of missed a very crucial step in the beginning. Make sure you put on like chapstick, or I had on Carmex just so my lips don't be dry, just so my lips aren't dry. Now I'm just gonna take this lip liner that I have. I honestly don't know what brand it is, but it's like this color, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. Now I'm gonna put on some gloss. Okay, and I'm kind of feeling like I need a little bit more color, just a little bit. So I'm gonna take, you guys might be like, girl, you're doing too much, you're doing too much, but I want a little bit more. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe like brush. I'm gonna take that LA Girl concealer that I used earlier, and I'm gonna put some, the darker one, and I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna dip the brush into it. And the one more thing that I think I'm going to do is I kind of want to give my eyes some extra. If you guys can hear that little like that, just ignore it. It's like our heater thing. It makes too much noise. So yeah, it's actually so annoying. This is like editing Daisier here, and I'm like sitting here and it sounds so bad. Like, for the outro, it sounds bad kind of like throughout the video too, but like the outro is really, really bad, and I'm kind of like close to tears because like I don't know what to do. Like, I'm not gonna re-record this whole video on the outro, so just try to like overlook it. You can probably hear it in the background now. It's just like so loud in my room, and I guess just like next time I'm gonna try to like turn it off. It's just like so cold, but like I'm gonna try to turn it off when I'm filming because it's so loud. You can like barely hear me talking, so I'm just like really upset that it's so loud in the outro. But like hopefully you guys can still hear me like a little bit, and just try to like overlook it. And I definitely will like turn it off next time or something when I'm filming. I'm just like so annoyed, but I hope you guys can still like hear what I'm saying in the outro and still try to like enjoy it, the video. Otherwise, yeah, sorry. Okay guys, so this is the finished minimalistic no foundation makeup look. I think it looks so good. I think it looks so natural. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is like something that's like shocking me because I honestly never do makeup looks like this. Like I said, when I do makeup, I like it to be like full coverage. Like, I like it to be very like extra. I do think this looks really, really good. Like, it's very, what's the word that I'm looking for? It's very like complimentary of my features, I feel like. So I just feel like it makes everything look better. Makes my cheekbones look high. I feel like my lips look nice, and just like my brows look really nice. I feel like all that good stuff. Like I said, you don't have to add a lash. I just like did it because I felt like I just needed to. So like, you can do whatever you want. You can add stuff, you don't have to add stuff. Like, it's for you no matter what. So like, yeah, it's like a natural makeup look, but just do whatever you want. But I'm just really amazed by how good the base looks, like my face looks with no foundation. I feel like it looks very smooth. Like, I feel like I might do this more often. Like, it looks very natural, it looks very smooth, it looks so like dewy and glowy, like everything you want in like a base routine this has. I feel like this definitely looks really good. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys prefer this makeup on me opposed to like a full face matte like last week's video. Let me know what you guys prefer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is in the description box down below, but it's also on the screen right here for your convenience. Yeah, so we're at 98 subscribers. So if you guys like me, if you like this video, subscribe so you can keep up whenever I upload. Also, I have a 100 subscriber end of the year goal, so if you guys want to make me happy, then you can subscribe so we can try to hit that end of the year goal. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.